Good morning, everyone. I'm going to demonstrate our Secure Chat application, which is a real-time messaging system which uses an end-to-end encryption to ensure confidentiality, integrity, and secure communication between users. So the main goal of this project is to show how cryptographic protocols, secure authentication, and real-time communication can be combined in a practical system. So what problem does this project solve? So most chat applications rely on server side encryption, meaning the server can read messages. Our projects ensure end-to-end encryption, so only the sender and receiver can read the message, not even the server. The high level system architecture is very important in this one. So we have divided our system into three main components, which is client, which is front end, server backend, and database. Client browser handles encryption and decryption. It performs Diffie-Hellman key exchange, encrypts messages before sending. Server flags socket.io, it manages authentication, handles WebSocket connections, relies encrypted message, does not decrypted messages, and database store messages in encrypted form, store users roles and logs, and no plain text and messages are stored in the database. So project structure, we have server folder backend. As you can see, the server folder contains all backend logic including authentication, WebSocket handling, and security controls. It contains mainly like server dot py, like app.py in here, authentication.py is in source, as you can see, app.js, authentication.js, and database is have to encrypted message storage, login attempts, and logging. And we also have admin.py, which helps in admin monitoring and suspicious activity detection. All server side logic is designed so the server never sees decrypted messages. So another we have is client folder. The client is responsible for the encryption, decryption, and user interaction. So as you can see, it is our main uh, form of the website. It helps. Also has index.html, which it helps for the chat UI user interface. It also has crypto.js, Diffie-Hellman key exchange. It also use WebSocket connections. The authentication and RBAC two-factor authentications is in the main project implements secure authentication using JWT token combined with the role-based access control RBAC and two-factor authentications. So in RBAC we have roles for user and admin, and users can join chats, send encrypted messages, and while admin can view logs and detect suspicious behavior. Two-factor authentication and two-factor authentications, so we have second verification step after login, protects against the stolen credentials, and also this ensures that even if a password is compromised, unauthorized, and access is prevented. So we have also have end-to-end encrypted flow. This is most important part. So this is where this is where, like, when two users join a chat room, the system performs a different Hellman key. And let me show you about further that one. So let's run the server. The server is already running in port 4000 from the npm. So let's start the client index. So this is room 1. So let me open again, ignore the window. Let me copy this one here. Okay, so I'm going to join the room 1. This is the room 2. So let's send message hello in encrypted form. it's not joined because it's not joined yet. So I think it has been joined now. Let's say hello from this end. Send. So two windows, click in both. Join room. Join room. So you can see hello has been sent from my side. So let's say how are you, send different messages. So as you can see in our secure chat, firstly we join the room, we join the room, and we each client generates a private key, and they exchange their private key, and while public keys are exchanged through the server. Shared secret is very derived. Shared secret is passed through skfd. A strong ses key is generated. In the message encryption are encrypted using AES GCM, which provides confidentiality, integrity, and authentication. In a real time, as you can see, in a real time messaging demo, all these you can see like generated ECDS repair key P25, and same one in here. So it say like joined room 1 and it says joined room 1. So both of these uh, clients have joined the room with the same server, and all the messages had before they join, then one of them need to send public key to the room, while another has need to accept that one. So how this is how this works. These the system also support group chats where all participants have shared encrypted messages. The imperial messages are automatically deleted after being read. So once the message is been sent, it will be deleted after a few moments. And the admin panel also follows different things like login attempts, suspicious behaviors, and other things. And all the database, all the stored messages are encrypted and the rest at the database. So this is our so okay, this is our one room. Let's join another room. So let's join room 2. Join room. We also need to type room 2 here. Join room. So before one was room 1, now we are going to join in room 2. Now let's say hi has been sent. Okay, so as you can see, we have joined another room, which is room 2, and have sent the encrypted message in from room 2. Hi. So this is our encrypted secure chat version of application which we have made in this one. Thank you.